Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a makeup tutorial using the new Rustic Glam by Dominique Cosmetics. I do have a full review and swatches on my channel. I will have that linked up here in the cards for you guys and also down below if you wanted to check it out. But bottom line, I love this palette. I did create a look a couple days ago. I'll have that look right here for you guys. And it is one of my top favorite looks, and I did it with this palette. Now I did want to create another look, so I went ahead and did like this bronzy summer color, and I love the way that this turned out. This is definitely what I envisioned when I went in with this palette. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look with this palette, then just keep watching. Starting off this look, I'm going to use my Sigma Eye Base Primer. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E40 and go in with the shade Free Spirit and put this all over my lid. Going back in with my Sigma E40, I'm going to take the shade Fringe and put this in my crease. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E35 and go with the shade Desert Queen, and I'm going to put this on my outer corner and in my crease. Taking a new brush, I'm going to go with the shade Suede and put this on my outer corner. I am going to pack this color on to make it a little bit darker, and I'm going to work this into my crease. I'm so sorry, my camera stopped filming, so I do have half of my eye done already. However, I did go ahead and make my cut crease, and now I'm going to go into the shade Bohemian and put this on my lid. Going back into the shade Suede, I'm going to deepen our outer corner and blend out that edge where it meets Bohemian. For my lower lash line, I'm going to start with the shade Desert Queen and then go in with Suede.
That's good.
Alright guys, so that is it for the tutorial. I hope you like the way that this look turned out. I know I certainly do. And if you did like this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go and click the notification bell. That way you can be notified of the videos when they go live. I do post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I will have those linked down below as well. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.